Alright, so here's a problem about perimeter and special triangles. So I think it's first, when you're approaching a problem like this with multiple triangles, sort of set a game plan. I think we'll first solve for this one. And if you look, we don't actually need this side right here. We need the whole side. So I'll then solve for that one, the whole side, and then I'll finish with that one. So if you're doing math that solves for this side and that side, I think you're doing probably too much work. Okay, so let's get started. So I'll put down some special triangles here. If this is 30, then this must be 60. And it says that this is 90, so that must be 30, which is 60 here. But I don't know if we're actually going to use all that. We'll see. Okay. So we'll start with the small triangle, and we'll find this side right here. So I'm going to set up a smaller triangle here, my special triangle, in the way that I have it. So that's 30, which means that this is 1, and then this is 60, which means that this is root 3, and this is 2. So for solving for side 1, which is also AB, we get a ratio. So I'll say that 1 is to 10 root 3. So 1 is to 10 root 3. As x, we'll call it, x is to 2. Sorry, 2 is to x. Okay, so then 20 root 3 is x. This side right here. So now I'll solve for this long side. So now I have a new triangle that's really big. 20 root 3, and that's 30, 60, 90, and we're going to solve for this long side. Actually, I'll get rid of this and this. Okay, so this is root 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so solving for this side 2, which is CB, set up a ratio. So we have 2 is to x, 2 is to x, as root 3 is to 20 root 3. So root 3 is to 20 root 3. So then we have x root 3 x equals 40 root 3. So then x equals 40. Right here. So this long side is 40. And then side 3, we'll solve for this one right here, this one right here. So we'll say, here's a ratio. 1 is to x, as root 3 is to 20 root 3. So we have, let's see here, root 3 times x is the same as 20 root 3, so x equals 20. And that should be all the sides, so then the perimeter is 20 plus 40 plus 20 root 3, I believe, which is 60 plus 20 root 3. And there you go.